Yeah. Strike force, yeah. Strike force.
Already. The video shot already. The man a win already and the video just start. Look what the man in a dog. Look what the man in a. Look what the man a push. Don't a town too. Go on.
Strike force. Yeah.
Strike force.
Yeah.
Strike force.
Little bit of money.
Boom, boom, bang! What Tyrekevlogs? Actually, I just posted that video. Anyways, people, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. Now I have Govana, Likkle bit of money. Does the title make you curious? Does the title make you curious? People, wanna deal with? You know, say anytime Govana drop a song, you know, it's a hit song, you know. Make you tell you go trend number one by a morning. You see me, I'm not going to listen to the song. I don't know what kind of song. I know what song about. This song is a little bit of money. Look like them, but don't a town. New Kingston, don't a town that look like. I don't know. But you may say, people, run up on the like button, comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post. And you know, post every single day. 2 to 3 to 4 times for the day. This is the 4th video of the day. How you doing, mofo? Okay. I don't know what to expect, you know, the last thing you get from Govana. What going on, sir? Price abandoned. The last to get, brother, I've been asking you so long to react to. What? Reply. Yo, I'm buckle bell. Yo, you may say, people. Red tune!
Strike force. Yeah. Strike force,
yeah.
Strike force.
Already. The video shot already. The man a win already and the video just start. Look what the man in a dog. Look what the man in a. Look what the man a push. Don't a town too. Go on.
Strike force. Yeah.
Strike force.
Yeah.
Strike force.
Little bit of money.
Yeah. Little bit of money, yo. You know the money. Yo, you know me not related to this, but the bumbuckler, the camera get shaggy. The video done start tonight. I forgot record so. You me say the man. Me done do that coming from Trinidad and can you? Yo, bumbuckler, relax yourself, no man. You me say the man. I'm gonna say what I got. Bumbuckler and figure out me gonna say dog. Chano, you know I heard you.
Little bit of money.
Yeah.
Yeah, little bit of
Watch
money.
your shoes! Watch your shoes! Watch your shoes!
Yeah, little bit.
Girl dead! Panty wet up! Watch your shoe, catch your shoes! Yo, go make that tune!
Yeah, little bit of money. Yeah. Little bit. Yo, shut your mouth with the little bit of money.
No. It came with the brick. Ooh. Y'all know I look for the females, right? Y'all know I look for them baddies, right? But he came with the British accent. Shut your mouth with a little bit of money. But baby, what time it is? John was tired. Why the light never get shake up on the camera, dog? John no dog. Bumbuckle bell, dog. You know what? Fuck it. I gotta stay. Alright, earn tune.
Let me dip it in a honey. Trick a girl with a nigga car and a nigga money.
Hold on. Ooh, baby. Oh, guys, if you want to watch the video without me pausing it, giving my reaction, which you're here for, link to the original video is down below in the description of my video. You can go pre it for yourself and go support Govana. But baby, she just a friend with her body, so what does she want to see? Watch her style.
Girl with a nigga.
I just a rich man that got rich later on the youth. Beast point. Bumbuckle, go on.
Nigga car and a nigga money. When she meet him, she fuck him, cause that a bigger money. Some man start high. And a nigga money. When she meet him.
She said something to me. Me have to look. She was saying something to me that I had to see. You understand? Me have to look good. Me have to make sure I see what I go on. You understand? Remember back in that tune now. Me have to make sure I see what I go on. Make this tune now time. Run tune.
Money. Some man start hype to them make a piece of money. 1 mil Jamaican, that a strip of money.
Exactly. Some boys start hype to make one little bit of money, dog. Brother, 1 million Jamaican, no money in the youth. No money that. Man say a strip of money, bumbuckle like over here. You know easy the dog. Bumbuckle it like dog. Cha, hope the camera and mess up in there. Run tune.
Man, beer money like a bad get with money. When they go a Zimmy party, have your liquor money. Bad man no drink off a man table. But
run back in that tune. More hear what I go on.
Bob give it a money when you go a Zimmy party. Have your liquor money. Bad man no drink off a man table.
Shit. No drink off a man table. I'm sure the guys when the guys certain man bar you have to have your own money for buy your own liquor. You do me I say. Busy me I say. Yeah, when you depend on friend for buy your liquor. And you are buying liquor for the whole table too. Do me I say. Right you?
See ya, I saw them thing unstable.
How we go?
Them girl need.
No, hold on, pause. I want you to left till I'm on. Hold on there, no, pause. Run back in. Hold on there. I want you to left till I'm on. Come give the girl that with. Girl up on one pole that dance out the road. You know what the road hot and she dance out the road for you. And tell me some $150 you want come here.
But see ya, I saw them thing unstable. Leg juice in them girl money. Bad man no drink off a man table.
Yeah.
But see ya, I saw them thing unstable.
Yeah.
Leg
So
juice
sorry about a while ago, people. We get cut off a while ago because somebody want bright enough for call me and me go me come for you bright. You alright, the liquor head? But guess what? Go on.
them girl neighbor.
Yeah.
Block pocket wanna carry down label.
Yeah.
Boy, move and guess with a little bit of money.
I'm not bad him up and say you got a little bit of money. You can't come get a girlfriend and say you got a little bit of go on.
Keep out your mouth with a little bit of money. Shut up. Yo, hold out with a little bit of money. Go over there so with a little.
Go over there so with a little bit of money. I like that song. That song have a buzz. That song bad still, but look what go on.
Mouth with a little bit of money. Shut up. Yo, hold out with a little bit of money.
He was one spunk up on a bottle with the money. Yo, listen, remember there's something to go around and talk about for the Pum Pum channel. For the Pum Pum challenge. Man, them say, yo, them run all day for the pums. You see me, I say, jump a fence for the pums and then boom flick and jump for the pums and them something there. Like you go and see them boom flick and speak for the, yeah. This is what what make up say that? I want to remember about a little bit of money. You kind of running up medicine at the song a while ago, I'm there try to say.
Over there so with a little bit of money. Man, I got the money now and the funny money.
Yeah.
Feed up the money when you see.
Are the money dance that? Are the money dance that? We can't even do it. I don't want to dance that. How much the money dance that? Go on.
You feel know and the little bit of money. Life is sweet, let me dip it in a honey. Can't check kill.
So why am there for the party me a while ago? You never heard of the bro God so. But the scenery change everything, so we see what I'm going to get them. I'm going to the money, why not them body for the little bit of money.
La money. Some man gonna see you run down fish a money. Them say you're easier and a quicker money. But you prefer deep for a little sister money.
Me in a dog. I'll go and go via flex for me in a dog. But wait until me get the whole heap of money. Cause me not go back to Jamaica and me not go earn a little bit of money. Run June!
Money run like champs, yeah, that is a money.
Bomba!
Get pull over, a piece of money.
Right.
Fuck your
man just get bribed a while ago. But the man say money run like champs, that is a money. Man shout out it's a low key and not even realize what. Go on, there's a run June.
low smoke and have the Rizla money. You want a rifle? Fuck with Sizzla money. Bad man no drink off a man table.
So the man was just bammed on the bro got ends a while ago, right? Man just bammed on bro got ends a while ago. Yo, bust up bro got head. My run. Him see the cop and you like run past the cop. Person must have run head on bro got. But the man say if you want to see some gun fuck with who for Sizzla money.
Cockafat, I saw them thing
money dance.
Diddy, leg of juice in a them girl neighbor. Block pocket wanna carry down label.
Yeah.
Boy,
Well,
and yes, with your
too bright. What she do? Oh, why you want leg of juice in a girl, man them girl navel? You know some man funny, you know some man want look at them girl navel and you know some man go play down there, some man will drink all juice out them girl navel. You know some man that them way they ain't go with them. What you think so? Go on here, man.
Little bit of money. Keep out your mouth with a little bit of money. Shut up. Yo, hold out with a little bit of money.
Hold out with a little bit of money. It's a good look, it's a good look, it's a good look. I don't know why, that's like different.
Go over there so
a little bit of money.
Man, I got the money now and the funny money. Look, we feed up for money.
So it's Jamaica. Get a bad, it's like a Jamaican casino settings. This are going right there, so me don't know. Let me know what I go on.
Force, you feel know and the little bit of money. Life is sweet, let me dip it in a honey. Govy, no little bit of money, no. JLL, yo, no little.
What should we spend? I may say Govy, make a little bit of money, no. Wait, don't think about the song for real. Me give me an opinion upon the song. You know, say it kind of get annoying sometimes on my pass by, but if I do it, dog, what's this a new song? The video now get for upload. I know it's chop already. I mean, don't explain that to me from day one. Only if you now go overstand. Right, chum.
Little bit of money, eh? Fort Jane and a little bit of money, done. Strike Force and a little bit of money, eh? German, a little bit of money, eh? Spain Town.
We just have to look on that one more time, you know? Alright, go on.
Money done. Strike Force and a little bit of money, eh? German, a little bit of money, eh? Life is sweet, let me dip it in a honey. Give my woman beer money like a Bob Curator money. All the rhythm done. Okay.
Ramesh, ENT. Pick up on yourself with a little bit of money, spin a boy tie. I'm out.